You know, especially this morning, it is windy, it is rainy out there. That's going to be the story. But the good news is this is a kind of a quick moving front. So it's not all day that we're going to be dealing with this. Really the morning into the early afternoon. But here's our latest check of Sky Tower radar, which we're starting to watch for the heavier rain right now along the coast. Parts of Clearwater up into Palm Harbor, Holiday, Port Richey. You can kind of see those reds mixed in on the radar there. That's those heavy downpours. Starting to watch those kind of drift off to the east. So areas around Lutz, Temple Terrace starting to pick up on those heavier rains. Right now for Tampa down to the south, kind of spottier. We'll watch for the heavy rain, I think, to really pick up over the next hour or so. Some of our northern spots, we've already kind of see that move inland, but right now Crystal River, Homosassa Springs, down to Brooksville and some of our interior spots along I-75, still seeing kind of those heavier bands moving off towards the east. So overall, northern spots, they got in on the action early. They'll start to see some clearing through the next hour or so. In our southern areas around Manatee, Sarasota, into parts of DeSoto, Highlands, Hardy counties, they'll be watching for some of this rain to start to pick up, I think, closer to 9 o'clock. These are the areas where it will last a little bit longer into the early afternoon. So here's how it times out. Most of our northern counties near Pasco, Citrus, Hernando, by 8 o'clock, the brunt of the heavier rain starts to shift to the south and east. So 7 to 10 o'clock is the Bay Area and Polk County. That's the main time frame. We'll be watching for heavy rain, a couple of storms to spark up as well. And then through about 2 o'clock for Sarasota, parts of Highlands, Hardy, that's where we'll watch for our best rain and storm chances there. And with this system, it's kind of just put us in a favorable spot where we could be watching for some severe weather. We're on the south side of the warm front. We're next to the cold front, and we call this the warm sector of the storm. It's kind of gives us some more favorable dynamics for some severe weather to spark up. So through the next few hours, we will be watching for the potential for a couple of storms to be strong, possibly severe. So that's something we'll be closely watching here from the Weather Center, but it's really through the next few hours. So look at how this line kind of moves by 11 o'clock. I think most of the rain to the south of the Bay Area. And then by 1, 2 o'clock, some lingering areas of rain for the southern and eastern spots. And then we clear out, maybe even some breaks in the cloud cover for the afternoon and evening hours. And for our Sunday, some showers will be possible, but a nicer day on Sunday. We'll still stay cloudy. Look at the rain chances we could get here around the area. We're still under very severe drought conditions. So if we can avoid some of the severe weather, this is going to deliver some much needed rain here to the area, half an inch, possibly even an inch in some spots. Temperatures mild today before the front moves through, mid-70s down to the 60s for your Sunday.